great cap on this one, guys. She feels so comfy. Baby hairs are just lovely, but I'm going to go ahead and adhere this one. Adore the hairline on this. Very natural. And we're using a little bit of Got To Be on the edges. Alright guys, I had to go off camera. Styling Miss Blaze was a little bit for me, and it was by no means the fault of the unit. I take full responsibility for this, only because, as I mentioned in an earlier video, short hair is just something extremely new to me, but I know that out there is a short hair wig that I'm going to absolutely love. And I have to say, of all of the short hair wigs, I am loving Miss Blaze. It turned out the way I wanted it to look. What I was going for was trying to get a little bit of a swoop in there and give her something, customize her in a way that, for me, felt fresh and modern, and but steering away from the auntie vibes that sometimes the shorter wigs can give. So it was me. I had to learn how to experiment, and what I did with it was I went on ahead and took advantage of that part, and then took these here, these side parts here, and kind of brought them closer to the face, and then of course trying to work that swoop over on the side, and I am very pleased with her.